Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through the permit for mobile crane lift operation. So I'm going to explain how to fill the permit. Here we go. The permits are contained with the name of the operator. It should given here the crane number, plate number, and the supervisor who is going to engage the lift operation and the permit number which has to follow for control the permits. Here we go. The permit checklist are given below, serial number and description, whether yes or no. The first one is the third party certification available for the crane and operator. It is a legal requirement. It must be available. Third party certification for crane as well as operator should undergo for the training to operate the mobile crane at construction site. Yes. Is the crane operator license available? It is a mandatory that if the person is want to drive the crane on the streets or within the construction project, he must have the government driving license. Yes. Trained and certified benchman and riggers are available to control the lifting operation. S. Is lifting supervisors available to control the lifting operation? S. Potential hazards and risks are identified by the lifting supervisor. S. Thus, lifting gears are certified by the third party and meets the required lifting capacity. S. It must be and it should be free from the damages. Yes. Is the crane set up with the fully extended outriggers? So the mobile crane, when you set up the mobile crane, the outriggers are should be extended fully, not partially. So it has to be placed on the sword plates or beds. Yes, it has to be. Is operation area barricaded? Yes, we have to provide the exclusive zone to control the unauthorized enters. Materials landing area is ready and no obstruction. Yes. Crane load bearing meter, which is called load indicator. Safe load indicator and alarms are working properly to alert the operator. Yes, it has to be work or carry out the operation safely. And weather and wind speed is acceptable. Before commence operation, we have to ensure the weather condition as well. Is there sufficient space to operate freely without obstruction? The operator should not have any obstruction on the wheels. And is there overhead electrical cables lines? No, should not be. If there is any lines are running, the equipment or crane should be uh, parked away from the safe distance or the line has to be disconnected. And certified material baskets are available for lifting of blocks and other loose materials. Yes, it has to be certified. And good vicinity in the operation area. Operation area should have a good vicinity. Yes. Number 16, counterweight. This is part of the calculation to identify the crane capacity. Counterweight, I have given 10,000 kg, which is 10 ton. Length of the main boom and working radius, we have to identify or find out the crane capacity and safe working load. These are very important things to understand. So how did I find out the 40 meters boom length and working radius? Here we go. I have given the lifting area sketch with the crane picture. So this is called as a boom length, which is given 40. This is called as a radius, working radius, where this lifting hoop is falling from to crane center is called as a working radius. So we must know, we can also read this working radius and boom length in the load indicator. We have find out the boom length of the mobile crane and the working radius, which is 10 meter. Safe working load. How did I found out and how did I got these 7,500 kg? So this is most important things to know and understand. So I'm going to take this boom length and working radius to find out this safe working load. Within this boom length and working radius, how much load I can lift safely. So here we go. I'm going to use the load chart, lifting load chart to identify this. So here is a 40-meter boom length. So within 40-meter boom length and 10-meter working radius, I have highlighted here. I can lift only 7.5 ton, which is 7,500 kg only. If we go beyond this safe workload highlighted in load chart, will not be safe. So that is why the manufacturer has given the load chart the operation safely. So here I have got the 7,500 kg that I can lift within this boom length and working radius. So I have put this here 7,500, and the weight of the load, the weight of the load which object I am going to lift is 3000 kg, which is 3 ton. So the lifting gear's weight that I am going to use for lift this load is 150 kg. Hook blocks of the weight of the hook block of the mobile crane is 4050 kg. So I am going to get the 3600 kg is total weight. So to find out the crane capacity, I'm going to use this formula: total weight divided by safe workload into 100. So here I have shown that 3600 into 100, I have got the answer 360,000 divided by the safe workload which I got from the load chart is 7,500 kg. So I have got the answer 48 percentage. It is safe, more safe. So the while we calculate the crane capacity, it should not exceed above the 75 percentage. Always 25 percentage safety factor should remain to carry out the operation safely. So always do calculate the lift operation to perform safely. Here we go. Permit requested by engineer. I have examined the area, equipment availability of the requirements and can be permitted for the operation. So the engineer who is coming to request and this write his name and put a signature, and the permit issued by appointed person. There is person who is controlling the overall lifting operation is called as an appointed person. He will be the in charge for control the lifting operation. Is in major construction and lifting operation industries. So he has to be there to sign, and under the appointed person that received by the lifting supervisor who will be in charge for lifting operation on the spot to control, and the check and confirm by the HSC officer and close out by, and permit can be renewable. So this is permit shall keep in working area with lifting supervisor and validity only 12 hours and more 1 day renewable. So this permit is only valid for 12 hours. If required, it can be renewed for more 1 day. So I hope this video may help for understand about how to fill the lifting permit and calculate the crane capacity. Thanks for watching my video.